Lesson number 1. So now tell me, write in the chat box and tell me everyone that how many edges does a cuboid have and how many corners. Screen is not visible. Let me share it again. Wait. You have to tell me the answer that cuboid has how many edges and how many corners. Yes, very good. So 12 edges and 8 corners. Very good. Now tell me, sphere has how many edges and how many corners? Sphere. Sphere has how many edges and how many corners? Yes, 0 edges and 0 corners. Everybody will write in the chat box, huh? Sphere has 0 edges and 0 corners. Now tell me, cylinder. Cylinder has how many edges and how many corners? Cylinder. You have to write like this. 2 edges and 0 corners. Yes, 2 edges and 0 corners. Cylinder has 2 edges, 0 corners. You don't have to write 20, 2.0. No. 2 edges, 0 corners. Okay. Yes, very good everyone. Now tell me, cone has how many edges and how many corners? Cone. One edge and one corner. Cone has one edge and one corner. Very good everyone. Okay. So there are how many types of lines? There are 3 types of lines. Can you name it? How many types of lines are there? 3 types. Vertical line, horizontal line and sloping line. Do you remember? Have you studied the first lesson? Yes, everyone. Very good. You have given the correct answer. Now, today we will do the revision of second number lesson, read and write. So first, before that, tell me which object will roll. The object that have curved surface will roll. And the object that have the flat surface will slide. Okay, that we have already done in the revision of lesson number 1. Today, we are going to study or we will do the revision of lesson number 2, read and write numbers. This is a revision of lesson number 2, read and write numbers. So children, be ready with your notebook and pencil. Be ready with your notebook and pencil everyone. Okay. So can you see here, there are some numbers. I have told you already that you have to learn the number names from 1 to 100. Yes, that I have mentioned in the class. So we will revise again the numbers and their number names. Okay. So you will read the numbers with me as well as you will write the numbers in your notebook one time. With me only you have to say and you have to write also. The first number, what is the first number over here? 1. Oh, write in your notebook, not in the chat box. Write in your notebook. Yes. O-N-E, 1. How to write 1 now? How will you write 1 in number? 1 is written like this. Yes, everyone knows. O-N-E, 1. Then next number is T-W-O, 2. Say it loudly with me. Read the numbers. T-W-O, 2. Now tell me, how will you write 2? How will you write the number 2? Like this. Yes, this is 2. Okay. TWO2. Written 2, everyone. Now next number 3. THREE, 3. THREE, 3. How to write 3? Like this. THREE, 3. You have to say also, say loudly. THREE, 3. Then 4. FOUR, 4. FOUR, 4. How to write number 4? Like this. Yes, I hope everyone is saying loudly with me and writing also. Yes. Okay. FOUR, 4. Then FIVE, 5. FIVE, 5. How to write number 5? Like this. Yes. FIVE, 5. The next number is 6. S. Say it loudly with me. SIX, 6. SIX, 6. How to write 6 in numbers, in figures? How will you write 6? How will you write 6 in number? Like this. Like this. Correct? SIX, 6. Okay. Now, next number is 7. SEVEN, 7. SEVEN, 7. How to write number 7? Like this you will write number 7. SEVEN, 7. Come on, write and say also. SEVEN, 7. Written 7. After 7, what comes? After 7, 8. EIGHT, 8. EIGHT, 8. Now write number 8. Like this we write the number 8. Again tell the spelling of 8. EIGHT, 8. Now 9. Next number is 9. NINE, 9. NINE, N E 9. How you will write number 9? Like this you will write number 9. N-I-N-E 9. Then next number T-E-N 10. What is the next number? T-E-N 10. How you will write number 10? Like this. 1, 0, 10. Okay. Everyone clear with this? You have to learn the spellings. Okay. 1 to 10. And then after that, learn to 100 also. Till 100 you have to learn the spellings. Again we will do this. Again we will revise. Tell after me. Everyone will repeat. O-N-E-1. O-N-E-1. T-W-O-2. T-W-O-2. T-H-R-E-E-3. T, repeat. H-R-E-E-3. F-O-U-R. 4. F-O-U-R. 4. Then F-I-V-E. 5. F-I-V-E. 5. Then S-I-X. 6. S-I-X. 6. S-E-V-E-N. 7. You have to write also. S-E-V-E-N. 7. Then E-I-G-H-T. 8. E-I-G-H-T. 8. Then N-I-N-E. 9. N-I-N-E. 9. Yes, you have to learn the number names 1 to 100. Then T-E-N. 10. T-E-N. 10. Over. Now, next, after 10, what comes? 11. E-L-E-V-E-N. 11. E-L-E-V-E-N. 11. Now, how to write 11 in number? Like this. 1, 1, 11. E-L-E-V-E-N. 11. 1, 1, 11. Over. Written this. Written in your notebook. Start writing. E-L-E-V-E-N. 11. Then T-W-E-L-V-E. 12. T-W-E-L-V-E. 12. Now how to write 12 in number? 1, 2, 12. T-W-E-L-V-E. 12. Kanishka, 11 spelling is wrong. You have written E-L-E-V-E-N. 11. Parinita, you have written the 13 spelling wrong. Now we are in number 12. So concentrate on number 12, everyone. T-W-E-L-V-E. 12. Okay. 12 over 12. Now 13. T-H-I-R. See, T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N. 13. T-H-I. Repeat after me. Repeat and write. T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N. 13. 1. How to write number 13? Number 13, we will write it as 1, 3, 13. How to write number 13? 1, 3, 13. Okay. T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N. 13. Now 14. F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N. 14. F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N. 14. Children, you have to write down in the notebook, not in the chat box. F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N. 14. Pay attention in the revision, okay? How to write number 14? Pavni, you have written the number 14 spelling wrong. F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N. Okay, here U will come. F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N. 14. 1, 4, 14 we will write. Then 15. Next number is 15. F-I-F-T-E-E-N. 15. F-I-F-T-E-E-N. 15. Again repeat. F-I-F-T-E-E-N. 15. How to write number 15? Mahir, you have written 15 spelling wrong. Rudra, pay attention and write. F-I-F-T-E-E-N. 15. 1, 5, 15. How to write 15? 1, 5, 15. F-I-F-T-E-E-N. 15. Very good, everyone. Now, next spelling or the number name is 16. Saraswati, it is not 115, it is 1515. Okay. Ansh, you have written the 16 spelling wrong. See over here. S-I-X-T-E-E-N. 16. S-I-X-T-E-E-N. 16. It is very easy. You have to write 6 spelling and then you have to write T-E-E-N. 16. Akhil, it is S-I-X, not S. S-I-X-T-E-E-N. Wait a second. S-I-X-T-E-E-N. Vishwajit, you are not writing in the notebook. Vishwajit, come on. You have to write in the notebook. Your parent is complaining here. Okay, Vishwajit. Yeah, now I will tell you to on your video and then you have to show me your notebook. S-I-X-T-E-E-N. 16. Come on, good girls and boys here in my class. Start writing. Come on. How to write the number 16? 1, 6, 16. S-I-X-T-E-E-N. This is very easy. Okay, in the exam, either they will give you the number and tell you to find out the number name, or number name will be given and they will tell you to write the number. Number name means what? I've already told you the meaning of number name. Number name means the spelling of the numbers. Okay. Number name means spelling of the number. In maths, we call it as number name. And figures means what? Writing figures. Figures means numbers. Okay. So 16 is over. Now 17. SEVEN TEEN. 17. Correct? SEVEN TEEN. 17. Now how to write the number 17 in figures? 17. 1 7 1 7 17. Okay. SEVE. Bhumika, you have written 20 spelling wrong. Bhumika, pay attention. We are doing the number 17, beta. SEVEN. Everyone will pay attention in the number which I am teaching. SEVEN 17. Now come on, tell me next number. Read out, everyone. Read it loudly. Read it loudly. EIGHT EEN. 18. Repeat it, everyone. EIGHTEEN. 18. EIGHTEEN. 18. Yes, Tushar. Okay, very good. Everyone are giving the right answer. Then the next number is 19. NINETEEN. 19. NINETEEN. 19. Repeat after me. NINETEEN. 19. Yes. Now how to write number 19 over here? Number 19, how you will write? 1919. Very good. 1919. Yes. Now next number 20. TWENTY. 20. TWENTY. 20. Again repeat. TWENTY. 20. How to write number 20 in figures? 2020 we will write like this. 2020. Okay. Now again say with me. Again we will repeat it one time. ELEVEN. 11. ELEVEN. 11. Everyone will repeat. And those who are not repeating, parents, write their names in the chat box. I will say to them. Everyone will repeat. TWELVE. 12. TWELVE. 12. Next time I'll not give them a chance to talk. Okay, everyone will repeat. TWELVE. 12. Then THIRTEN. 13. THIRTEN. T-E-E-N, 13. 13, Akhil, Thirteen, 13. Yes, Ishika. Now, 14, Fourten, 14. Harsha, now we are doing 14, Fourten, 14. Then 15. Yes, very good. Now tell me number 15. Fiften, 15. Fiften, 15. Next number 16. Sixten, 16. Sixteen. Again, Sixten, 16. Next number is 17. Seven, 17. 17. Seven, 17. Next, 18. Eightten, 18. Repeat it after me. Eightten, 18. Next, 19. Ninetten, 19. Ninetten, 19. Next number 20. My screen is visible, right? Everyone? If my screen is visible, then type yes. TWENTY, 20. TWENTY, 20. Okay, for some people it is visible and some people it is not visible. So those who are not able to see my screen, so please check your network. It may be your network issue, that's why. And for your convenience, I'll again stop and again share. Okay. Now I'm sharing it again. See if it is visible or not. Okay. Now it must be. Now TWENTY, 20. Over 20. Now let's move ahead. So after 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. So why I am telling these numbers? These number names you will write at your home. Okay. 21 to 29. Now see next numbers. Next number, see. Here I have written the main number names: 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So I'll tell you the easy way. From 1 to 20 you have to learn. After that you will learn 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So then you can write any number name from 1 to 100. Okay, so you will be, then if you learn these much spelling, then you will be able to write all the number names. It will be very easy if you will learn these number names: 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay, now tell me 20, the 20 over now 30. THIRTY, 30. THIRTY, 30. How to write 30 in numbers? How to write 30 numbers? See, 3, 0, 30. How you will write? 3030. THIRTY 30. Yes. After that, you can write 31. How to write 31? THIRTY, then ONE1. So that's why I'm telling you to learn 1 to 20 numbers, and then you have to learn these numbers. So after that, you can write all the number names very easily. Okay, so today we will learn these spellings, and then it is a homework for you. You have to write 1 to 100 number names in your notebook. Homework. 1 to 100 number names in your notebook you have to write. Understood everyone? Okay. Yes. Now we will again repeat the number name 30. THIRTY 30. THIRTY 30. 1 to 100 you have to write it at home, Mugda. Yes, now repeat after me. THIRTY 30. THIRTY 30. Then 40. FORTY 40. FORTY 40. Repeat. FORTY 40. Again. FORTY 40. 40. FORTY 40. Again repeat. FORTY 40. Then next number 50. FIFTY 50. FIFTY 50. Very easy it is. FIF. Then you have to write TY 50. Everyone is repeating or writing in the chat box. Repeat. FIFTY 50. 50 50. Okay. FIFTY 50. 50. Then SIXTY 60. SIXTY 60. How to write 60? 60. SIXTY 60. Next number is 70. SEVENTY 70. SEVENTY 70. Repeat it after me. SEVENTY 70. How to write number 70? 70 70. SEVENTY 70. SEVENTY 70. Then EIGHTY 80. EIGHTY 80. Again repeat. EIGHTY 80. EIGHTY 80. Which number we are doing, Aisha? Shavni? Which number we are doing? We are doing the number 80. EIGHTY, 80. Yes. Now how to write the number 80? 80, 80. Okay. Now next 90. Next number is 90. NINETY, 90. NINETY, 90. Again repeat. NINETY, 90. How to write the number 90? 90, 90. Repeat it after me. You have to write also. NINETY, 90. 90, 90. Last number 100. HUNDRED, 100. Everyone is repeating right and writing, I hope. HUNDRED, 100. Yes, very good. HUNDRED, 100. Again, HUNDRED, 100. How to write number 100? 100, 100. 1 0, sorry, 100, 100. Okay, repeat the spelling 100. HUNDRED, 100. Yes, Noor. Now what you have to do is, today at home, listen carefully, revise. Okay, today at home what you will do? You will write 1 to 100 numbers and the spelling. What you will do? You will write 1 to 100 number and their spelling. Tomorrow I will ask you the number name also and the number also. Okay, so be ready. So for today, we will end this lecture here. Tomorrow, you will all come ready with the number names. 1 to 100. I will ask you. Okay. Understood? So today we will end this meeting. Thank you. Bye everyone.